Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Flamingo channel analytics. Flamingo has uploaded 1,804 videos. He now has 8.77 million subscribers with a total view of 6,041,697,312 views. He's from US. And his channel type is games. He created his channel since July 6, 2017. The grade he got is A. And his Social Blade ranking is at 139th, the subscriber ranking is 1079th, and then video view rank is 425th. He ranked at 401st in US and 106th in games. Next, the daily subs for Flamingo is around 7k with a daily view of 7,563,914. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 7,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $30,000. Then, monthly income will be $900,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $495,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $5,940,000. That is how much Flamingo earns from YouTube.